Hi guys. You tell them hi guys. Tell them hi guys.
Hi guys.
It is I think Friday. It's Friday today.
Yeah, it's Friday today.
Yeah, and it's raining outside, so we don't have no outside vlog. It's just like all inside the house. And we're just video call with Daddy. I am feeding Joshua this one, guys. My American baby loves to eat Filipino food. You okay? Don't fall.
Come on, my baby. You're my
Hello.
baby. You're my baby. Go!
Come here, Talia. Come here. I'm gonna show them something on your face. So, guys. So
I hit my
after,
face.
hang on. After Joshua's birthday party, this what happened. What happened?
I was chasing the balloon, then I slipped to the chair, then I banged my face to the chair.
Yeah, I'm sorry, love.
It's okay. I'm still okay.
You can still eat Turon. You can still eat the Turon.
Well, I made it. Well, Jollibee, I can open my mouth a little wider.
Mm-hmm. What about this little
really
boy?
wide.
What about this little boy holding the Turon? It's a Turon because you all are Americans. You and Joshua Americans, so this is how you pronounce it. Turon.
Turon. Hey, I found banana. Banana.
Oh, my baby boy. He loved to eat the Turon. This is what I got, guys. Lumpia. It's a Shanghai roll, but it's like it's toge. It's vegetable, I don't know. Tastes good. The lumpia tastes good. It's vegetable, yeah. Toge. It's raining outside, guys. So hindi kami makakalabas muna. Yeah, Joshua? Atala, you wanna eat some more Turon? Yum, yum, mommy want some. You're so sweet. Thank you, mommy. What? I like bite. I like half bite. Oh, my baby boy, so sweet. Love you. He's walking, guys. My baby's walking already. Walk, Joshua. Walk, walk, walk. You're so poggy, you little boy. Come here. Give it to mommy. Come walk. Stand up. Look at the camera. You see, I'm handsome, guys. Say hello. Say hello, guys. Give the flying kiss to them. Give them a flying kiss. What? My baby boy eats Turon like a professional. Yeah. Ataya, do you want? Hey, you wanna drink water or you want some more Turon? I am their yaya, guys, with no day off, 24/7. Since my boss is in America. Whose head is this with the brown hair? My baby boy, my American boy loves to eat Filipino merienda, snacks. Natalia, you want some more, Turon? Kain tayo guys, let's eat, let's eat. Natalia, come here please. Natalia, come here please, I said.
I'm watching my favorite monster movie.
I said come here.
Okay.
Here's Natalia guys.
Guys, I'm watching my favorite monster movie. Guess the answer in the comments. What is it?
What is your favorite cartoon movie character?
The monster one.
Oh yeah? We got nothing to do today. Really just chilling here at home, guys. If it don't rain tonight, let's go somewhere. I mean, me and the kids, like somewhere I can buy fake lashes because I like to do the DIY eyelash extension myself, you know. But I have to buy the lashes. I have to buy the glue at the same time. I really like try do that. You're so handsome. My handsome little boy. My handsome little boy. Love you. Tingnan nyo guys, yung likod ni Joshua, meron siyang birthmark. It's red birthmark and the daddy get the same too. Yeah? Daddy got this kind of birthmark, right, Joshua? What? What happened? What happened? Lambing siya sa akin. He's so very sweet. Yeah, you're sweet to mommy, right? I mean, I tell you, she's sweet as well, but she got big, like she have her own, like she busy on her own little world. So it's the Joshua that's so attached to me now because I'm breastfeeding him. The same amount of love him and Atalia, but I'm saying the time and the attention because this boy is, I think, mama's boy. I don't know. I hope not. Yeah? Joshua is walking to me, guys. Joshua is walking. You okay? Guys, ito pala yung natirang nilalagay ko siya dito. And then dito. Kasi ito yung natirang spaghetti noodles, spaghetti pasta. Hindi ko naubos. Lutuin lahat because it's a lot. It's cold today. I mean, I know my AC is working, but I'm saying even if outside, when I walk outside the hallway, I could feel the cold. Like, it's unusual because it's very hot this time of the year. Summer, like, I don't know. It's all we all summer here. Just summer we got here in the Philippines, right? I hope I could fix them all. Naantay namin si Daddy mag-Skype kami. Kasi may ginagawa lang siya. Nabili ko to guys sa ano. Eto. It's cute like, right? Nabili ko to sa I think High Top Supermarket and at Project 4 sa may Quezon City. It's just so cute. Yo, Joshua, you okay? Is Joshua okay? Ito yung rice ko, guys. Ang rice ng mga kids is different because mas gusto nila yung jasmine rice. Kasi ano siya eh, malagkit siya eh. Masarap din siya kainin. Sana nga may malaki silang ganito guys kasi I really like this one but I want the ones that like bigger than this. Kasi medyo maliit siya. But it's cute, right? I'm gonna show you. Show you something. Guys, alam mo, ang ano talaga ni Atalia, very ano siya, mahilig siya sa drawing. And then, even her penmanship, her handwriting, is really clear. Look guys, ito yung dinrawing ni Atalia. It's very cute. She really did this. I'm gonna keep this one for the rest of my life, of her life. Then I'm gonna show this one to her when she get old. And this one too. She did this one too. Look. Talia drew this. And she drew this one. You know, you can tell this is her through the eyelashes because the girl she drew got long lashes. That's Talia. Yeah, Talia?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. Come here. I'm talking to you. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself because you can draw like this? You're such a talented girl. Look guys, marami pa siyang drawing eh. Hindi lang ito. I kept them all. So para paglaki niya, pag nagdalaga siya, tapos sasagot na siya kay mommy, I'm gonna tell her, don't you know that when you were like a kid, when you were a 6-year-old girl, you used to be so sweet girl. You just draw and you don't answer back to mommy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Si Joshua guys, naglalaro lang siya mag-isa. While the big sister, she also busy watching something on the TV. I hope my kids are just like this all the time, like every day, but it's not. Promise, they're so behaved today. I don't know why. Maybe because of the weather. Dito na lang. Promise guys, next time I'm gonna do like more exciting vlog or more interesting vlog. But this time, ito lang muna sa bahay kasi umuulan siya. Tsaka si Atalia pumapasok siya. So, parang limited lang din yung time na ano na mag-vlog ako or ano, kasi mas tinututukan ko talaga. Lalo na si Atalia kasi mahirap siyang matulog pag gabi. And then, pag inising mo siya sa umaga dahil papasok na, nagagalit siya. Though, hindi naman siya nagagalit, pero parang ano, parang nagwa-whining siya. Parang ganun na rin. Ewan ko ba ganito ata pagka ano eh, pagka may lahi, pinaghalong dugo. But, I guess all kids are like that, really. Ubusan din tayo ng pasensya, tayong mga mommy, right? Pero kasi ako talaga, hands-on ako. Full-time mom talaga ako. walang katulong, wala lahat. Mhm. So, salamat sa panonood, guys. And please mag-subscribe po kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko. Thank you for watching. Bye!